Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute meditation together. So this video is for those of you that just want to try to incorporate this into your everyday, but it's also for those of you that possibly are trying something brand new. So it's only 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and take a seat together. You can sit on a block for a comfortable seat, you can sit on a pillow, or you can put your back up against a wall possibly if that's the most comfortable for your spine. I'm going to go ahead and have a seat on my block, and while I do that, go ahead and find your comfortable seat. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you find your comfortable seat, I'm going to open my eyes at some parts during this, but I want you to keep your eyes closed for the most part. If you're feeling really energized right now, place your palms down on the top of your legs. And if your knees are not bent and you prefer to extend your legs out in front of you, this is also a great place to hold your body if it hurts your hips to cross your knees. If you have and you're looking for energy this morning, palms face up, shoulders down your back. And then as we close our eyes here, I want you to allow your lips to also close. I want you to feel your stomach muscles engage so that they match your back muscles. And I want you to feel your heart open forward. So you're starting just to kind of set up your lower body. So our tailbone is rooting down. Our spine is long. Our front body is engaged with our heart open. And then our throat is lifting as our chin lifts, bringing the crown of our head to the sky, stacked right on top of our tailbone. I want you to squeeze your shoulder bones together behind you, which kind of helps drop the shoulders. And then again, force you to sit up tall. So once you have your seated pose, then you can start to allow your breath to happen. Ujjayi pranayam, so victory breath or ocean breath. Pranayam is your breath. Prana is your energy. So as your lips close, I want you to inhale through your nose for 3, 2, hold the breath just for a moment, and then we're going to match our exhale out of the nose for 3, 2, 1. Repeating that, inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhaling 3, 2, 1. As you continue this breath on your own, I'm going to talk to you. So your job is to count to 3 in your head and to exhale for 3. So you're mirroring your inhales and you're mirroring your exhales. What's important here is that you don't get lost in your count or in your thought. So I encourage you that as thoughts enter, you allow them to enter. You don't focus on them, and then you wait for your next thought to enter after that. If you're feeling like you have plenty of energy, go ahead and flip your palms down if they're up, or you can keep them up if you're still trying to receive your day. You can also find a mudra where maybe the index finger and thumb touch as your 3 fingers spread. As we close our lips together here, I want you to lengthen your inhale. So let's take it to 5. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it at the top. Exhaling for 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way out. Inhaling for 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale the breath out for 5, 4, 3, 2. Continuing this breath, we're going to inhale for 5, 4, belly is tight, 3, hold it here, and now push your lips together and then lock your chin by tucking it down. So we're creating a bandha. Holding it there for 3, 2, and then on your last breath, pick up your chin, exhale it out of your mouth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice that locked breath one more time. So you're going to inhale 5, 4, 3, 2. Breath retention. Find your lock. Tuck your chin. Maybe you can swallow as you hold your breath in your body. And now lift your chin. Release it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From there, I want you to just close your eyes, quiet down your whole breath by normal inhales and normal exhales. And what this will allow you to do is to notice when certain thoughts start to move into the body, and then when certain thoughts can be left from the body. So that's our non-attachment. Take 3 more small breaths here on your own. Quiet seat, soft breath. And then exhale, slowly open your eyes. I hope you have a beautiful day. And if you would like to repeat that, that will offer you 10 minutes of meditation. Otherwise, get started here, and then eventually you can be able to sit still for longer. Thank you. I'm sensing a smile.